Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
Y'all, we're back after 2 weeks of not grocery shopping.
Yay.
We hope that you enjoyed our Aldi versus Walmart brand name comparison video last week. When we were on vacation, we didn't actually buy groceries because we weren't home. So, we haven't shopped in 2 weeks. And so that probably means this is going to be a big haul.
Yep.
And we're going to start right here at Aldi.
All right, let's get to it.
We're getting our bread here at Aldi. It's 99 cents. And then this is $2.89. That's spinach. A lot of glare on the plastic. And then we got some more grapes, and they were $1.99 per pound this time. But Joel really liked having some grapes. Denied. Our son does not like the original flavored, so I guess we'll be going for Pringles at Walmart. And we're gonna grab one of these ready rice, $1.98. It's $2.12 at Walmart. So we got some almond milk, and that was $2.19. And then we got some fake Nutella for our son for his lunches. And that was $2.49. I don't know. We'll put it on the screen. And we're cutting back on coffee a lot. Joel has given it up completely. And I am like working it down to only drinking a few cups a week. And so we just got this one, and we figure by the time that I finish using this one, I'll be down to the point where I'm not drinking it anymore except on special occasions. So we got that. And then one more thing. We got some ground turkey. We have a couple of recipes that we're going to be trying. That's said to use either ground chicken or ground turkey, and the ground turkey was cheaper than the ground chicken here at Aldi, so we decided to go with that. And it was, remember what it was? $6.44 for a 2-pound pack. So that's, $3.22 per pound.
All right, so that was our Aldi haul, and now
you want to tell the total?
Yeah, it's gonna be right here because I forgot what it was.
I think it was $25.04. We'll put the actual total, but we did make a few little errors since we didn't record in the meat section, dairy section, because it was really noisy with the refrigeration system, and we walked away, and then we tried to remember the prices, so we said a few things wrong. And actually one of them was on the hazelnut spread, which wasn't in that section, but there were a lot of people standing right there, so we didn't record there. But it was $2.39, and we were quoting you Walmart's price, which was $2.44.
Yep.
So so we said that wrong. And the other thing was the 2 pounds of ground turkey was $6.49, but it also wasn't just 2 pounds, it was actually 36 ounces, which is 2 pounds and like 4 ounces. So so even better.
Yeah.
So anyway, that was all. So now we're going into Walmart.
All right, let's go.
I grabbed this bag because I have an iBought rebate for 75 cents back, and it was also on rollback for $1.98, and so that would make it about $1.25 for the bag. You can use it up to 5 times with the iBought rebate, so if you use pork rinds in your keto cooking, this might be a great time to stock up. We also got the 2 Pringles, that's for our son, and they're what? $1.96. Okay, we're grabbing one of these. It's a, what's that, 10 count? Yeah, 10, extra large. There's the little thing. And it says down there $3.98, but when we scan it, it says $3.28. So we'll see what happens when we get to the register about that. Who knows? Okay, one bag of the shredded carrots. We have like 2 recipes we're going to use for carrots. Use carrots in. We got some broccoli for 2 different recipes. It's $1.87 per pound. So we'll put the total on the screen. And we're going to also get this. And you go, what? Y'all never buy stuff like this. This is our birthday treat from Checkout 51. You get $1 rebate back. And we don't normally, but what we do every year, because 3 of us have birthdays in August, is we get this and we consider it our birthday treat for all 3 of us, is we don't make cakes for each other. We don't know. So it's $4.98 and we'll get $1 back on it. And Joel was like, turtle.
All right, so that's our Walmart haul.
That's right.
And we're going to put the total right there because we don't remember what it was.
That's right. Because it's actually the next day. We're at Sam's Club.
Yay, let's
We're
go.
going to finish this up.
Let's go do it.
We're starting here. Joel was all psyched to get his Cheetos. And they're all flaming hot. He doesn't eat flaming hot. So he went for the Fritos. They're also $4.48. And our son wanted some tortilla chips, and they're actually on sale, $1.91. Again, as we mentioned, Coke prices have increased, so we've been getting our son Pepsis, and we're getting him this case right here because it's cheaper here than at Walmart. So this is one of those things where you have to watch it, because that is $8.98. And that is cheaper than this Clorox right here that's also the 13-gallon. The Glad brand, that's $17.98. But this has 120 bags and this has 200 bags. So the generic is a much better deal. Okay, real quickly, we're gonna shoot through these and tell you what we got. Pepperoni.
Yep. $8.98.
$8.98 for the pepperoni, and that's like a 2-pack.
Yep.
And a 3-pack of 1-pound bacon, so 3 pounds of bacon, and it was
$14.24.
$14.24. We're gonna bake that all up and put it in the freezer. The 5-pound of mozzarella that we use, we get it and then we divide it up and put it in the freezer. And then a 2-pound. How much is the mozzarella?
$15.98.
$15.98. And then the cheddar, which is a 2-pound.
Yep.
Or does that say 3 pounds?
That's 2.
2 pounds. And it was $6.92. Again, we like divide it in half and freeze some of it. And then the chicken, not a great price, but it was better than it was at Walmart, and Aldi didn't have it at all. So what was it?
$18.80.
$18.80. And then a 2-pack of French breads for our son.
$3.98.
$3.98. And yeah, that's about even with what I mean, it's a little bit cheaper at Walmart, but lately every time they're longer.
Yep.
But also every time we would go to Walmart, they wouldn't have it baked yet, or they would be sold out.
Yep.
So we just went ahead and got it here because they had it.
Yep.
So let's see, that is all that we have in the cart today. And we're gonna head out.
All right, all done with Sam's.
That's right.
All right.
Not a cheap haul, but you know, it's gonna last more than 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And we had not shopped in 2 weeks. So,
Right.
so it was like we were filling in everything, and yeah,
Sure.
adds up.
Sure.
So
We're gonna put the total right there.
The total right here of Aldi, Walmart, Sam's Club, total.
And then total left for the month.
Yeah, out of a budget of $600 for 3 adults. And there's what we have left for the rest of the month, which is like you shop one more time off whatever's left.
Yep.
Okay. Now we're gonna move on to our meal plan.
Yep.
Today is my birthday.
Yay!
And we're having baked chicken. And I did mention that in our haul like 2 weeks ago. And, you know, I did not ask Joel if he wanted to make me anything. I just wrote that down because I thought it would be delicious. But he does say that he's going to at least be helping me with it, you know, so I don't have to do the whole thing by myself.
Sure.
So, either way.
Okay.
That's probably what we're having tonight.
Yep. And then tomorrow we're going to see Air Supply at Epcot. So we'll
Get a
be
shout
eating
out for any of y'all older people like
yeah.
us. That
you know
know
where Air
what-
Supply is? Drop it in the comments below. What's your favorite Air Supply song?
Maybe there's younger people who do know. When we said Air Supply to our sons, they went, who?
Yeah.
So,
Anyway. So yeah, that's where we'll be tomorrow night. And then Tuesday, we're probably going back to the parsnip, but we do have teriyaki chicken rice bowls
Which
listed.
I tried something new.
But it's to try something new. And if you see the recipe alert here, then you know that that one's already in our recipe playlist. If you don't see the recipe alert, then you know that's something you can vote on for the recipe of the week. And this one will be one, teriyaki chicken rice bowls.
Right, since it's a try something new, we've never made it. That's right.
Yep. Then after that, we're going to do the crock pot lasagna, which we've been pushing off for like 3 weeks.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
And the thing is with that recipe is that you don't really have to buy anything, like other than if you want to get like some salad fixins or something like that. But like we would do like probably roasted broccoli from frozen broccoli so that we didn't have to worry about that.
Yep.
And so since everything is like either frozen or pantry supplies or something like that, don't really need, like, you can just keep pushing it back.
Yep, that's right.
So anyway, then we'd have the leftovers after that.
And then the next night is our son's birthday, and we normally take him out to dinner on his birthday, so we'll be doing that on Friday night.
That's right. He doesn't get much. That's like the treat.
Yeah.
He gets to pick a place he wants to eat.
That's right.
And then on Saturday we'll have homemade pizzas, like every Saturday.
Yep, and then we'll do pulled pork, which we're taking out of our freezer.
That's right. If you remember, like just a couple of weeks ago, we bought one and we made it. So we divided it up into smaller packs and put it in the freezer so that we could just take it out. And all you got to do is just thaw it out, add some barbecue sauce to it.
That is correct.
Good to go.
Okay.
All right, then we'll have chicken and broccoli stir fry.
And then taco casserole.
And I don't know why I put my sunglasses on because I can't see with them on. Sausage and rice skillet.
And then we're going to do cheeseburgers.
Then we're going to have probably a leftover night. I feel good and certain that we will have leftovers.
Sure.
Of something.
And then next will be homemade pizza again.
Yep, and then we're going to finish off with one of those whole chickens, making it a spatchcock chicken. And that takes us through the whole 2 weeks. So when that 2 weeks is over, if somehow we're exactly where we're supposed to be, we push things back. But if we are where we're supposed to be, we'll be coming up with something to use with leftover chicken because on the first night, because we always have leftover chicken from a spatchcock chicken.
Yep,
So
yes we do.
That's it.
All right, so drop us a comment below and let us know what your vote is for the recipe of the week. We'd love to hear that. If you have any recipes you'd like for us to try, you can drop those in the comments below and let us know where we can find the recipes for those. We're always looking for new things to try.
Yep.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekends, sometimes in between. You just kind of never know when we're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget, it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.